There's our new high pressure pump. I know it'll go up to 250 because I've seen it go that high. We have the lights. We have a very expensive high-speed camera, which I hope to God does not get nailed. Oh, I don't hear sirens yet. Way louder than the TVs. In fact, I'm gonna kill all the lights. No need to be drawing any attention when the officers go by. See the smoke and the steam inside? That is from explosive decompression. That looks like it had a puncture right there. An old puncture point, maybe. Definitely looks like it. Proof of concept. Blew my filter gauge apart. It generated over 170 PS.